Craig, Vanessa, good morning. And we are hearing that New York-Presbyterian and the Nurses Union are set for a meeting roughly 12 hours from now. And a source also telling us that all three of these hospital systems, Montefiore, Mount Sinai, and Presbyterian, are set for a joint meeting with the Nurses Union as soon as tomorrow, with a mediator also at the table.
They want to take our health care away. They don't want to give us safe staffing. They're reluctant to give us workplace protections against violence.
The New York State Nurses Association touting what it calls a record-setting strike, counting some 15,000 nurses proudly picketing all week. The walkout now reaching day 4 as nurses seek fair labor deals with New York-Presbyterian, Montefiore, and Mount Sinai hospital systems. At Mount Sinai, officials reporting roughly 20% of union nurses crossing picket lines as it denies allegations of union busting and unfairly punishing nurses. For days now, the Nurses Union and its members' employer hospitals exchanging warring words. A Montefiore spokesperson slamming the union's proposal for 40% wage increases as reckless, and the union firing back, accusing Montefiore of treating patients differently at its various locations. Outside New York-Presbyterian, patients noting the absence of regular nurses.
It was pretty late, it was a little slower than usual, just waiting in different areas. And when we got checked in and then, doing blood work.
So back live, we do know that at this point, all three of these private sector hospitals have been spending millions to bring in nurses to cover the shifts of these striking nurses. And again, there's perhaps some winds of change here blowing here. A meeting between New York-Presbyterian and the union set for this afternoon. And by tomorrow, we could see a joint meeting of all three of these hospital systems and the Nurses Union by Friday, again, with a mediator also present to hopefully push forward some kind of compromise. We are live in Washington Heights. Justin Finch, Pix 11 News. Back to you.